We are going to solve this problem from the polynomial equations now. See, just look at the problem. P of x is a polynomial which is x power 5 plus x square plus 1, and its roots are given as x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. Okay, I have a fifth degree polynomial, and since it has 5 roots, the question is giving that those roots are x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. Now g of x is another polynomial. G of x is another polynomial, x square minus 2, and now we need to find this particular value, g of x1 into g of x2 into g of x3 into, see, the product of all these things minus 30 into g of all these things. That's what we need to find. Okay, see, now look there. First of all, for the given polynomial, these 5 are the roots. That was very clear. See, g of x1, g of x2, all these things are involved. So you just think about g of x1. In the same way about g of x2, g of x3, g of x4, g of x5. G of x1 is simply nothing but x1 square minus 2. Is it right? G of x1 is simply nothing but x1 square minus 2. Okay. See, g of x1 is x1 square minus 2. I need the product of all these things. So that's why what I am going to do is, I am going to construct a polynomial whose roots are g of x1, g of x2, g of x3 and so on. Okay. For that, what we need to do? Just look there. My idea is construct. First of all, you just try to construct. That means you need to make a polynomial having roots g of x1, g of x2 and so on, g of x5. So these 5 are the roots of a polynomial. So we are trying to find that polynomial first, and my idea is g of x1 is this x1 square minus 2. Similarly, g of x2 is x2 square minus 2, x3 is x3 square minus 2, like that. That in the sense, we are going to construct a polynomial whose roots are x1 square minus 2, x2 square minus 2 and so on, x5 square minus 2. And we know the way of finding the equation. See, x1 square minus 2. You just let that x1 square minus 2 as some alpha or some other value. Let x1 square minus 2 is equals to y. Since x1 square minus 2 is y, transformation of roots. Okay. For the given polynomial, these 5 are the roots. Now I am going to find a polynomial whose roots are these 5. That in the sense, whose roots are these 5. For that, you just let that x1 square minus 2 as y. So x1 square is equals to y plus 2 and x1 is equals to square root of y plus 2. Not only x1, similarly if you think about x2 square minus 2 and everything, they are all symmetrical. So x1 is equals to root of y plus 2. Every x2, x3, x4, x5 all are of this format only. But as they given, this x1 is a root of the given polynomial. Since x1 is a root of the given polynomial, what we have? Just I am using this space. Since x1 is a root of p of x. See, after this you need to follow these steps. Okay. Since x1 is a root of p of x. Since x1 is a root of p of x, otherwise I will discuss here. Okay. To avoid your confusion. x1 is equals to root of y1 plus 2. Since x1 is a root of p of x, that x1 must satisfy p of x. That in the sense, x1 power 5 plus x1 square plus 1 is equals to 0. Now what you say about x1? x1 is this root of y plus 2, right? So root of y plus 2 to the power 5 plus root of y plus 2 whole square plus 1 is equals to 0. Very simple idea. This is root of y plus 2 to the power 5. And root of y plus 2 whole square is how much? Root of y plus 2 whole square is y plus 2 only. So this is, I will rewrite it like this, y plus 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 5. plus y plus 3 is equals to 0. Everybody just pay your attention. Square root of y plus 2 whole square is simply y plus 2. I am trying to make an equation in terms of y, and for that equation the roots are these: g of x1, g of x2 and g of xy. That's my plan. So y plus 2 power 1 by 2 to the power 5 plus y plus 3 is equals to 0. You just send that y and 3 that side. So y plus 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 5 is equals to, or simply you may write here, y plus 2 to the power 5 by 2, 1 by 2 into 5 is equals to minus y minus 3. I need an equation in terms of y, right? So send this by to that side. It will become square on the other part, okay? Then it will become, yeah, now I am using this space. Then y plus 2 to the power 5 is equals to minus y minus 3 whole square. That in the sense, y plus 2 to the power 5 is equals to y plus 3 whole square. Now this is the equation, okay? This is a fifth degree equation, okay? And this equation has roots g of x1, g of x2 and g of xy, okay? So for the space I will erase all this thing and then I will continue. First of all, just follow this part of the problem and then I will give you the other part. So the given polynomial p of x is equals to x power 5 plus x square plus 1 has these 5 as the roots: x1, x2, x3, x4 and xy. Very good. This is fifth degree, it has 5 roots. And another polynomial g of x is given, okay, and we need to find this particular value. What is that? We need to find g of x1 into g of x2 into g of x3 into g of x4 into g of x5 minus 30 into g of x1 and the product of x1, x2, x3, x5. So my idea is, first of all, constructing a polynomial having these 5 as the roots. These 5 are simply nothing but, by this definition, these 5, x1 square minus 2 and then x5 square minus 2. So to make a polynomial with this as a root, you just start with that x1 square minus 2 is equals to y. Already we discussed this concept in the transformation of roots. I am applying the same concept. x1 square minus 2 is y and x1 is equals to root of y plus 2. Since x1 is a root of p of x, x1 will satisfy, and replace x1 with root of y plus 2 with usual simplification. At the end we reach to this position: y plus 2 whole power 5 is equals to y plus 3 whole square. This is first part of the problem. You just have a look, go for a screenshot and then I will give you the other part, okay? Just have a look. So finally at the end what we have? This y plus 2 to the power 5 is equals to y plus 3 whole square has 5 roots, and those 5 roots are these: g of x1, g of x2, like that up to g of x5. Very good. See, since these 5 are the roots, I need the product of these 5. Product of the roots for the fifth degree equation is simply nothing but what? Minus 1 to the power 5 into constant value by leading coefficient. So you just rearrange it. This is simply nothing but y plus 2 to the power 5 minus y plus 3 whole square is equals to 0. And this equation has 5 roots. They are g of x1, g of x2, like that up to g of x5. And simply see, you just try to simplify. I don't need all the values. So y plus 2 whole power 5, for sure y plus 5 term is involved. In between I will get 4, y power 4, y cube, y square and y everything. What to say about the constant? 2 power 5 is 32, minus 3 square is 9. 32 minus 9, how much it is? 32 minus 9, 23, right? Plus 23 is equals to 0. And this equation has 5 roots. And what are those 5 roots? G of x1, g of x2, g of xy, all these things. From there, then product of the roots, g of x1 into g of x2 into and so on into g of x5 is equals to, since it is a fifth degree equation, so product of the roots will get minus of the constant by leading coefficient, and since it is 23 and the product of the roots is now it is minus 23. Is it right? So product of all these numbers is minus 23. Okay, this is one thing. Another part is this particular equation, x power 5 plus x square plus 1 is equals to 0. This particular polynomial equation has 5 roots. They are x1, x2 and so on x5. From there what you will say? Again product of the roots, x1 into, x2 into and so on into x5. Product of all these roots is now what? Again, since it is fifth degree equation, minus of the constant, so minus 1. Now what you will say? Now required value is, what is my required value? Product of this g of x1 to g of x5, which is minus 23 minus 30 into g of product of x1, x2 and so on x5, and all those things are minus 1, g of minus 1. This value I need to find, and that is equals to minus 23 minus 30 into g of minus 1. What is g of x actually? G of x is this x square minus 2. G of minus 1, replace x with minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, again it is minus 1. So on simplification, 30 minus 23, and your answer for the problem is 7. You just have a look. Your answer for the problem is 7, just simply by using the concept related to the product of roots. Okay, very simple. So given polynomial equation has 5 roots, and another polynomial g of x is given, its roots are g of x. See, g of x is given, and we need the product of g of x1, g of x2 and so on, g of x5. That's why you just try to construct a polynomial whose roots are these 5, and this is the polynomial. From that polynomial, we are sure that leading coefficient is 1 and constant is 23. So product of all these roots is minus 23. Again from the given polynomial, product of all these roots is minus 1. From these two steps, at the end our required answer is 7. Have a look.